اللهم صل وسلم وبارك عليه.
At the time of the Battle of Uhud, a woman from Madinatul Munawwara, she hears the news that the matter has changed in the battlefield. She runs towards the battlefield. She leaves Madinatul Munawwara on her own, running towards the battlefield. And she's running and she comes to a mujahid, a sahabi of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is returning with the news. And she asks him, what is the situation in the battlefield? And he says that your father has passed away. Your father has been martyred. She says, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And she continues to run. She's running towards the battlefield. What is she running for? She meets another and she asks, what is the situation? He says, your father has been martyred. Your husband has also been martyred. She says, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And she continues to run as though nothing has happened. She continues to run until she sees the battlefield of Uhud. When she sees the battlefield of Uhud, she sees the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's blessed face. And she sees that he is alive. She comes closer and she says, Ya Rasulullah, kullu shay, kullu musibatin ba'daka jalal ya Rasulullah. That everything, every matter and every calamity and every problem, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, comes after you. If you are fine, then everything is fine. If you are fine, Ya Rasulullah, then nothing is a problem for me. They love the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam more than their own fathers and their husbands and their spouses and their whole families. These are the Sahaba-i-Kiram.
किससे करूं बयान गम, कौन सुने फुगान गम. किससे करूं बयान गम, कौन सुने फुगान गम. पाऊं कहाँ अमान गम, अमनो अमा तुम्ही तो हो. पाऊं कहाँ अमान गम, अमनो अमा तुम्ही तो हो.